As I was saying. T up there putting the hard start on a compressor. T-House, HVAC, AC heat, refrigeration, and appliances. We do commercial business. As you can see, we're at the Valero right now. I was up there, but I was working a lot of movies. Yes, we do have a real company truck, by the way. Not putting up in just no regular truck. As you can see. Put the doors back on. I'm taking you, man, no time to do nothing. And we fast people in town, one of them. Do condensers in 45 minutes. Outside units 45 minutes. Your outside unit put it in the back on and running. Outside units give us 45 on both. 45 a piece. We'll get straight to it, try to help everybody beat the heat, put a smile on everybody's face. The compressor out.